Search and rescue teams continue to sift through the rubble following a series of devastating tornadoes in the Midwest. We're about to show you video from Mayfield, Kentucky. There it is, one of the areas hit the hardest. The governor there says more than 100 people are still unaccounted for. Volunteers from both the Southwest Virginia Red Cross and God's Pit Crew are working to rush much needed supplies, including food and water, to those people who are in desperate need. WFXR News' Kelsey Jean-Baptiste spoke with both organizations. She joins us now live. Kelsey, I understand they told you this is one of the worst disasters they have ever seen.
Kathleen, God's Pit Crew says their immediate response team is carrying loads of blessing buckets, which also include daily necessities and more, while the Southwest Virginia Red Cross is supplying blood and other essentials.
This is a really, really bad disaster. They're all bad, but this one is one of the worst, especially for December, I've ever seen or heard of.
Founder and director of God's Pit Crew, Randy Johnson, says he has dedicated 21 years to helping save lives. He is shocked by the magnitude of damage caused by the tornado. This morning, the team deployed 25 volunteers to Mayfield, Kentucky.
Some will meet the team there traveling from other parts of the country. I expect that team to grow as the next few days progress.
But that's not all, as they also delivered a semi-load of supplies to Arkansas, another area hit hard by the tornado.
Excavators, skid steers, all those things that are headed out to help cut trees, move debris, tarp roofs, whatever we can do to help the folks out there.
And more relief is on the way. The executive director of the Southwest Virginia Red Cross says they also deployed an emergency response team.
And the main goal of the American Red Cross is to make sure that people have a place to stay, food to eat, critical relief supplies like blood, and then, of course, that emotional support from our amazing volunteers.
Grant adds the Red Cross was prepared even before the storm hit.
The Red Cross was working with partners days in advance with the anticipation that something could happen. So we were ready. We have several emergency shelters that are open and ready to go.
The founder of God's Pit Crew also told me that they are accepting donations. As of right now, they are fully supplied to help with disaster cleanup. However, once the response team assesses the area, if they have to stay longer than expected, then Johnson says that there's a chance they can run out of supplies. On our website, WFXRTV.com, we will have links for both God's Pit Crew and American Red Cross for people to donate. Live and local in Blacksburg, Kelsey Jean-Baptiste, WFXR News.